let's take a look at background checks from an employment law perspective. Background checks are used to verify information provided by candidates and determine whether any disqualifying factors exist. These checks might entail contacting references, verifying past employment, confirming necessary degrees, licenses, and other credentials, and checking driving or criminal records. A basic legal motive for conducting background checks is the potential liability of employers for the harmful acts of the people they hire. The common law doctrine of respondeat superior, let the master answer, makes employers directly liable for the harm to others caused by employees acting within the scope of their employment. Employees are deemed to be acting within the scope of employment when their actions relate to the kind of work that they were hired to perform and take place substantially within the workplace during work hours. By way of example, an employee of an automobile dealer was acting within the scope of employment when, on a public road, he stopped the driver of a truck that the dealership was seeking to repossess and fired shots into the tires of the vehicle. Even though the employee's acts were criminal in nature, the court deemed them within the scope of employment and the dealership was liable under respondeat superior. In reaching this conclusion, the court emphasized that the employee's sole motive for the confrontation was to repossess the truck on behalf of the dealership. In contrast, two drivers of an armored car were not acting within the scope of their employment when they became enraged at a motorist, repeatedly attempted to run his car off the road, and threatened to blow off the motorist's head. The court reached this conclusion even though the drivers were on duty in the employer's truck and had brandished weapons provided by the employer.